to this whole doubting that is chain inside your body, that is crippling inside you, that you feel like they were not with you during your prime day. To have the motivation to work, to have a system to complete your task daily. But sometimes there are days that you feel like your doubt is actually taking over your body and it's tearing the shit out of you. But for me, when the doubt actually creeps inside me, it makes me wonder lots of new things, which is actually from my own fear. Like everybody around you are actually doing so well in their life. They got their life figured out, and you are actually trying to do something for yourself, which is absolutely yours. Like for me, I am actually a business guy, so I actually like the freedom of working on my own thing or on my own brand on the flexible time. For me, there are no weekends. Usually, I can work on Monday, I can work on Sunday, even the midnight, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. It doesn't matter for me. But I want this business to stand out because this thing is completely mine. It has my name printed on it rather than doing it for someone else. But when this thing is actually inside me, I start to doubt myself that what if this doesn't work? What if it completely just goes down and I will be getting back to the old thing? Like before this job I used to, like before this business I used to have a job, so which I actually have quit it to focus on the business because this thing absolutely gave me the freedom to be with my family. But right now I'm just 26, so most people usually say that you have to do the hard work, you have to go out and work on your team for 24 hours a day. That is how you have to start figuring out your mixtures and everything. Do it in your entire 20, then the 30 will be sorted out. Because you have experienced everything in your 20s. But what if you feel like I made this whole business thing a bad choice? It's a bad idea. But my mind absolutely wanted to work. Even if there are doubts inside me, I can't let that happen because my dream is too big that it actually scares me that I'll be doing a job which is basically making someone research or at least I'm learning things from for myself as well. But one, I'm actually on my dead bed when I'm actually dying. How would you feel like? Would I be proud of myself doing this? Or would I be proud of myself who kept on trying and trying and trying to make this thing work? But yeah, this didn't work. I'll have to take a deal to make this work again. Take another deal to make this work again because I want to stay absolutely on this path. And I can't let this doubt get better of me because I have a dream much bigger than me that it actually scared the shit out of me that I am forced to do this thing. That is, I feel like I am born to do this. Even if this fear inside me keeps on telling me that you can do this. Look at the guy, he's doing so great. Look at that senior, he is a director of this big company. What are you doing? You are nothing. But I kept on reminding myself that whatever I have right now is actually really precious for me. This 2 years, if I do this absolute work for 2 years, it will take me again for the 10 years. If I do it for 5 years, it will take me again for like next 20 years. At least, or I'll be gaining an insane amount of something that will actually feel like I have a shortcut to that success. Whether it is financially, whether it is mentally, whether it is physically. I can put in more hard work. If financially, I can actually put the money for investing in my next business that can actually go quite big after 7 months because I have the knowledge that is mentally. Because I have learned my own mistakes to make this work. During my college days, I had tried a lot of things, a lot of freelancing business. I had a consulting business back in the day. I had a creative agency which I made logos, content for big people. Like for aviation company, I actually made a logo. I don't know where the guys are, but I actually made them. It took me like a whole week to get a small logo done. And they actually absolutely love that thing. So if you feel like that you got a dream, but you feel like your doubt is actually getting better of you, just remember this one thing that if you do this thing for 2 years, for only 2 years of focused work into this one thing, how would you be or where would you be in the next 5 years? I'm sure that you will know the answer too. And you will also feel like your brain is also supporting you to make this happen. Don't go back to the old way. You have no plan B. This is the only plan A that you and I have right now. And we have to absolutely make this work. Until next time.